Curiosity. What brings you here?
Okay, so I moved to Florida like 5 years ago.
You what?
Yeah, to take care of my grandfather. Well, I came back, I'd say about 3 weeks ago. I was pulled over in Courtroom.
What happens when a routine traffic ticket snowballs into a courtroom showdown 3 years in the making? Today, we're diving into a packed docket full of missed payments, garnished wages, heated exchanges, and defendants learning the hard way that courts don't forget. And judges definitely don't play around. From a traveling nurse facing a warrant over an old citation, to a debtor insisting he's up to date, while records tell a very different story, and even a small claims crash case that turns into a math lesson on deductibles and court costs. This hearing is loaded with twists. Pay close attention to how the judge questions each party because every word matters here, and some answers are about to make things a whole lot worse.
Cousin, and they told me I had a warrant in the city. Well, it was Christmas, so I was gonna do that because I didn't know like what was gonna happen. I went to the police station to turn myself in on it to try to get on some type of payment arrangement because I'm a traveling nurse, so I can't work my job.
Slow down a second. Are you telling me this wasn't you that was pulled over?
No, it was.
So you were pulled over? No, I'm talking about in July of 22.
But it was on the Walter Road, right?
Well, Carlton, near John L. Street.
It was a Black weekend.
Yes.
Yeah, that's my ticket. I didn't live here at the time. I was visiting.
Okay, well, what are you asking me to do? You
I
sure?
just need like some type of payment plan until I can
Ma'am.
get to work. I don't know how much the ticket is. I don't know what it like.
Ma'am. Why didn't you show up for 3 years?
I didn't live here. I honestly God, but you know, I can show you on my phone and my Facebook.
Care if you were living in Tuscaloosa? I don't care where you were living. You don't do this. You're a traveling nurse and you're
Yes.
acting this irresponsibly? I'm
It
serious.
just popped out. It just popped
Ma'am,
out.
you got the ticket. You knew you got a ticket. When I see the lights go on, if I get worried I'm speeding.
Oh, I was speeding today.
We know. And we also know you've been ignoring the courts for 3 years. Why am I going to give you a payment plan when you haven't been here in 3 years? All you had to do was come and talk. Like when you do your job, right? You expect people to show you a little bit of respect. I don't care if they show me respect. I do care if they don't show the system respect. Because I'm just a guy sitting here for a while. I'm running the seat. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now, you're going to have to come up with this money. I'm not going to give you a payment plan on something that's 3 years old. If you picked up one pop can a day, you'd have had this paid 2 years ago. I mean, I get a little tired of this. If you're a traveling nurse, you're making good money, right?
Yeah, I do make them.
Then why didn't you take care of your ticket?
I didn't realize the ticket was like an active ticket.
What did you think? They threw it in the garbage after they gave it to
When
you?
I called the courthouse to try to set up a court date for the ticket, they told me there was no court date for the ticket.
Because you'd already gone into the phone. It's like if a football team doesn't show up to that's playing today. They forfeit. They lose. You didn't do anything. Call someone. Get the money. And then we can be done. I kind of take offense that you're coming in here 3 years ago as a traveling nurse. Now, let me tell you something. If you were a single mother on a bridge card that was unemployed and you had 3 kids and the father wasn't in their lives, they might be a different story. Okay? You got a credit card that can help you pay this today, right? Then why don't you want to go down the hall and pay? You want to come in?
I just don't want, like, Christmas just happened, my kids, like, I do have a life, and I'm reestablishing my life here, so I was just trying to do the right things, but to be able to do them to where it's affordable. But I mean, if you want to pay it all today, I'll pay it.
What I wanted was you to contact us 3 years ago and show a little bit of respect.
I understand.
Somehow, some way, I have a hard time understanding why people don't show the judicial system respect. I have my answers that I will tell my closest friends. But we're in the best branch of government in this country. Now that is not even close in my view, and I don't care who says what and what they say. So I take offense as a member of the judiciary when somebody doesn't show up for 3 years, doesn't bother to make a phone call and say, hey, I got a ticket a month ago. I went into default. How can I pay this? In which case they would have told you, zoom in from Naples or Sarasota or wherever you are, and the judge will give you a payment plan. That being said, I'm going to hope this little discussion is going to clear some things up. I'm going to hope that next time you get a ticket, you're going to be a little bit more respectful of the system. That being said, you tell me, take your hat off, sir. Tell me how much you can afford to pay and when. We got a tax. Is there a new tax garnishment on this? Can somebody tell me, or I don't think Lisa's here. Go ahead.
There is,
Well, they filed one in 22. Tell me how much you can afford to pay and when.
right now, I'm actually, so.
Tell me how much you can afford to pay and when. I don't need to hear any explanations. Huh?
100 this month and pay it off next month, if that's okay with you.
What, can you pay 100 by the end of the month or not?
Yes,
You sure?
yeah.
I'll give you more time if you don't need, if you need. You pay 100 by January 31, balance by February. I don't know if there's 28 or 29 days. There's 28 in February this year. So we're going to have the balance paid by February 28. Now, if you don't have the money, you call the court, go on Zoom, I'll give you an extension. If we have to do that for the next 17 years, I don't really care. Okay, fair enough?
No, I appreciate it because I can't get my license transferred to here. They won't let me work here unless I take care of this stuff, like.
Because you
So it's
dropped the
not-
ball. You're not acting like a traveling nurse. I mean, that's quite a response. It's a big response. Okay, good enough. That's what we'll handle. Are you telling me you can't work until you pay this?
Yeah, I can't work until, no, I have to have the warrant dismissed.
Yeah, I know. That's why you came in here. I'm telling you, you miss a payment, we're gonna have a big problem. I will send you to jail. Do we understand one another? Do you understand one another? Like, I've got some wise guys that come in here and do this with me. And they get the warrant lifted, and then they think everything's gonna be all right. Whoa, I pulled one over. Don't pull one over on me. I'm telling you, with fair caution.
That's
All right, you make sure. Good luck. Thank you. People against, or Discover Bank versus Artemis J. Petty, 250-094. Name?
Artemis Petty.
I'm not sure what brings you here.
Sir, I have a payment plan with Discover. I am up to date on the payment plan, but we were haggling over the first month. When you made a judgment on this payment in May, I didn't receive.
You gotta file a motion. You can't just, did you file a motion?
There's an
Yeah.
objection, Your Honor.
Oh, do I have the other side here?
Yes, Mr. Stratton is here on this, I believe.
Mr. Stratton, come on in, please. Wait a minute, maybe I'm checking, do I have that paperwork, Jen? Objections to garnishment, I see. All right, good morning, Mr. Stratton, your name?
Yep, good morning, Trevor Stratton, P65124 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name again?
Artemis Petty.
Okay, so wait a second, did you read his objection? I'm not quite understanding what he said. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with him?
Your Honor, I only heard a few seconds of
Go
what he had
ahead.
to say.
Repeat what you said, sir.
I said that I'm here today to, I'm objecting to the garnishment. I am up to date on the payment plan, but they issued the objection due to me not paying the first month in May. And that was due to counsel not sending me the information. Per the paperwork, all of my payments have to have the Weldman Wise account number on it. When I received the paperwork, I started paying. But they felt that because I missed that first month, I'm already in default. Now, I do want to say I made that payment, and I just object to that garnishment, and that's the only thing I'm here for. Is to
All right, let me take
garnishment.
a quick look at the judgment. Because they didn't send you the paperwork, didn't mean that you didn't have to send it right after, right? You should have saved, just hear me a second. You should have saved the money and paid it on a timely basis, right? You agree with that? Can you just agree with that, or you don't want to agree with that?
Yes, I agree, Your Honor.
Okay, fair enough. All right, now let me take a look at the judgment here. All right. So he was to pay 266 commencing on or after May 20, right?
I believe so, yes.
Did he make every other payment except the one back in May of 25?
Not according to the information that I have. Your Honor, I've been given payment information of 266 on 8/4 and 8/25.
8/4 and 8/25?
Right, and 300 on 10/14, and another attempted 300 on 12/3, but returned NSF.
Is that true?
Your Honor,
Hang on. Don't get angry. I'm just asking.
nerves. It's just nerves, not.
Okay.
Nerves.
I just want to know, is it true that you didn't make a payment until August 4th? And then that was in the amount of 266, and you made another one on August 22nd in the amount of 266, and you made another one of 300 on October 5th, 14th, and that there was an NSF check on December 3rd.
Your Honor, they cost the NSF check.
Wait a minute, wait. I just want to know, is that true that those were the three payments you made?
I made payments since then too, as well.
Hang on a second.
Okay. Well, so.
Do you agree that you missed your May, June, and July?
No, sir, no, we into the PO box. When they cash them, that's when they cash the check is when they cash the check. These are checks being mailed.
How many checks have you sent?
The checks that you listed are correct, sir.
Well, if these are the checks that you sent them,
Yes, sir.
you're way behind. Right? Come on, guys. I mean, I don't mind. I want to hear you and I want to do the right thing, but I can tell already in 5 minutes, you're going to make me spend 5 minutes asking you questions.
Not at all.
You're going to ultimately admit that you only paid 266 twice and 300 once, and that's not appropriate when the payment amount called for 266 a month starting in May.
Your Honor, I made a payment of $1,300 as well.
When? That's what I'm asking you. Tell me when.
Yesterday.
What?
So I said I'm up to date, Your Honor.
You're not up to date. See, this is what I love about this job. You know what? They should have, instead of Juris Doctrine, they should have what are the initials for a dentist, Mr. Stratton? Is it DDS?
EDS, I believe.
That's what they should have, because that's what I am half the time. I'm a dentist. I'm pulling teeth. I knew there was more than this. He's telling me he paid every payment. The only one he missed was your fault because of the May deal.
No, wait, Your Honor, you're not understanding.
Oh, yeah, I am.
No, sir. The reason why, when they garnished me, they took my savings. I had no money to pay. That's why I had to wait till I got paid again. to make
You
the
told
payment,
me when you first came up here, and if you want, I'll have the tape played back, that you'd made every payment except you missed the one in May because it was their fault and they didn't send you the payment information correct early enough. Is that what you told me or not? Am I dreaming?
no, that's what I said.
Well, then come on. I listen. You play games with them. And then you come in, I'm telling you, I'm a dentist. That's what I am. I'm not going to take your objections to garnishment. I mean, I'm going to grant his objections. Your objections are in vain. You didn't make the payments time. But next time when you come, if in fact you come in front of me, please don't misrepresent, because it's clear to me that you just did that. And you made me ask a bunch of questions to get to the bottom of it. You're in a courtroom? You're in a courtroom. I don't want to hear anymore. The objections are invalid. Your writ can continue. All monies withheld are to be turned over to the plaintiff attorney. Anything else, Mr. Stratton?
No, Your Honor.
You can prepare your order.
Are you allowed to still continue garnishing?
Yes, because your objections were invalid.
No, I mean further in the future.
No, yes, they can.
Even though I'm up.
Yes, they can. You did not comply with the order. You owe them over $11,000. You came in here and told me, do I have to repeat this again? You came in here and told me the only payment that wasn't made was in May, and that was not true. Now, maybe I'd find it in my heart to figure out a way to help you a little bit if you didn't lie to me. This is a courtroom. We're not in a bar. No, they can garnish. You gotta be more upfront next time. Good luck. Credit Card Solutions versus Affy Cobbs Jr. 250.
Is this one on Midland versus Flores?
Yes.
Yes, William Hill, P 28608, appearing on behalf of Midland Credit.
Mr. Flores, your name.
Jr.
Good morning. So they think, did you guys go in a breakout room? The only amount owed is $919.93 plus cost of the action, right?
That's correct.
Do you agree that you owe that amount?
What about?
Nine? Okay, I'm sorry. Can you hear me better now?
Yeah,
All right, I apologize. If you can't hear me, just raise your hand, okay? They're saying $919.93 is what is owed plus your costs and statutory attorney fee. How much do you have in those, counsel?
Yeah, we're not seeking attorney fees on this. We have costs of $141.10 thus far.
So they have $141.10 plus the $919.93, which should come out to $1,061.03. You got that? That's what they think you owe, $1,061.03. Do you agree that you owe that amount?
yes,
Can you pay that?
no.
How are you living? Wait a minute, ma'am. I'm gonna let you, is this your husband?
This is my brother.
Okay, I'm
And
gonna
he
let,
doesn't understand everything with.
well, he's gonna have to tell me, okay? I can't
Well,
let
that's
you.
what I was gonna try to let him know what they're telling you.
I'll do a better job of explaining. I'm not always real good at this, but I'll do a better job. But I can't let you help him or represent him, okay?
If it's interest.
You can stay right there.
Okay.
Sir, do you agree that you owe that amount of $1,061.03?
Yes, I agree.
Can you pay it?
No. I couldn't pay it because I'm on fixed income. I had a job, but they fired me. So when they fired me, I couldn't make any changes.
What do you want to do, Mr. Hill? Do you want to go in a breakout room with him? I can have you try to resolve it with him in a breakout room.
Yes, sir, I think that would be
Why don't we, John, set him up in a breakout room and you go talk to the lawyer and you guys see if you can resolve it, okay?
I have no
All right.
problem, Your Honor, if his a friend or associate wants to assist in a breakout room.
Yeah, that's his sister, right? You're his sister. You can go help him out there. Good luck. Thank you.
That's it.
Where's the podium?
Where's Mr. Korzetsky?
I'm right here.
Okay, come on up to the podium. Your name?
Peter Cosette.
You're nice and loud for me. Your name?
Reese Brett.
You're proceeding in the small claims division. You have the right to do that. If you want to have the case removed, you can do that. If you proceed in the small claims division, you're giving up the right to appeal my decision, hire a lawyer, to demand a trial by jury, and to the extent the plaintiff might be entitled to it, to seek in excess of $7,000. Do you understand that, Mr. Korzetsky?
Could you repeat that? I didn't hear you very well. I apologize.
That's all right.
My hearing.
Sorry. We're in small claims. I'm the presiding judge. If you proceed here, you're giving up rights. You're waiving rights. You're waiving your right to appeal my decision. You're waiving the right to demand a trial by jury. You're waiving the right to hire a lawyer. Plaintiff is also giving up the right to seek in excess of $7,000. That's the jurisdictional limit in a small claims case. You don't have to waive those rights. If you want to preserve any one or more of those rights, just tell me. I'll remove the case.
What happens when a routine traffic ticket snowballs into a courtroom showdown 3 years in the making? Today, this is a textbook explanation of small claims procedure. The judge carefully lays out what both sides are giving up. No jury trial, limited damages capped around $7,000, and very restricted appeal rights. In exchange, cases move faster and cost less. It might sound procedural, but it's hugely important because once parties waive those rights and proceed, they're locked into that forum. Notice how the judge repeats himself until he gets clear yes or no answers. That protects the ruling later from being challenged on appeal. Would you have stayed in small claims for speed, or moved the case to full civil court to preserve those rights?
To the general civil division, in which case you can hire a lawyer, you can have a trial by jury, you can appeal my decision if you don't like it, and to the extent that you might be entitled to a plaintiff, you could seek in excess of $7,000. Do you understand everything I just said?
No, not the last one.
The jurisdictional limit of small claims is $7,000. So if you had a $10,000 loss, you could sue in small claims, but you could only sue for $7,000. I'm just saying, to the extent that you might have a claim in excess of $7,000, you would have to remove this to the general civil division if you wanted to collect on that. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand everything I just said?
Yes.
Do you wish to give up those rights and proceed here, or have the case resumed? Pardon?
Case resumed.
I mean, case removed.
No.
You waive those rights?
Yes, I waived the rights so we can proceed.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Do you waive those rights?
Yes.
Raise your right hands, both of you. You solemnly swear affirm that penalties of perjury, the testimony you give in these proceedings should be the whole truth, so help you God. Mr. Korzecki?
Couldn't hear you. I'm sorry. My hearing.
Okay. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you will give in these proceedings will be the whole truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Okay. You had a car accident.
Yes.
Were you at fault?
Yes.
Did you have a deductible?
Yes.
Did you have anything in your policy that would cover that?
Yes.
When he's entitled to his deductible if you agree that you had $1,000 deductible, right?
Correct.
And how much was the damage to the vehicle?
Couldn't tell you at the moment. I think it was total. I mean, that's all I know.
Did the insurance company pay in excess of the $1,000?
They paid me what the vehicle was worth.
But they took $1,000 deductible.
Yes. Absolutely.
Any reason you can tell me that you shouldn't have to pay it?
No. Once I use my insurance, they don't pay.
I'm sorry?
Go through my insurance to pay the deductible?
Are you asking a question?
Yes.
Some people have that in their policy. You can call your insurance agent and ask them, listen, I got sued. The judge gave him a judgment. And I want to see if you'll pay it. You should have probably talked to your agent before. Was your car damaged?
Total.
Did you make a claim?
Yes.
Do they know that you're being sued here today?
No.
Can you pay this $1,000 today?
Not totally today.
How much do you have today?
I don't know. I don't know if we look.
You want to go, I doubt you have that coverage. Very few do. Do you have your agent's phone number?
No.
You have somebody at home that can give you your agent's phone number? Do you want to go make a call, or I can just give them a judgment? I have a feeling you don't have it, but if you want to go make a call, I'll let you do that. We can give you a few minutes. Do you want to make a call to your agent?
No.
You don't? Did you have insurance?
Yes.
What other court costs did you have, Mr. Korecki? You had $8 plus $60, right?
Yes.
Judgment is entered $1,068. I can set up a payment plan for you. Do you work?
Yes.
Where?
In the union, my union labor.
How much do you make per week?
It's just when I work, I make 18 an hour.
Can you pay installments of $50 weekly, say beginning on January 30th?
Yes, I can.
So he's gonna pay you 50 per week. You're gonna get his address. He's gonna send it to this address on Winslow, right? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys both go down the hall, get a copy of the judgment, make sure you pay that, or else he's gonna garnish wages, have you in here for a creditor's exam and the like. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right, good luck.
Where do I go?
You can go right down the end of the hall to the civil department. All the way down the end of the hall to the left.
Today's docket showed exactly how differently cases can play out depending on preparation and credibility. The traveling nurse walked in facing years of neglect but left with a strict payment plan and a stern warning hanging over her head. The debtor challenging garnishment lost his bid once records contradicted his story, proving that numbers matter more than narratives in court. And in the crash case, the judge broke down deductibles, insurance limits, and wages before ordering weekly payments, demonstrating how civil judgments are enforced step by step. Across every case, the message was clear. Respect the process, communicate early, and never walk into court unprepared. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns every week.